Bonjour everybody. Bonjour. Bonjour. Yes. Are you happy? Yes. Why didn't put video? Everybody gone to vacation? Where you have gone? Please comment it. Okay, our channel name is what? Abhina's French Class and Arts. Correct? Yes. Okay, you will subscribe now. Yeah. Okay. Like that, I have went for a vacation. I have went for a vacation. Where I went for vacation means Ooty. Where I went? Ooty in Tamil Nadu only. In Tamil Nadu I have went to Ooty. Okay. Yes. Was superb. And the climate was in summer also. The climate was very cool here there. Do you know? Yes, they in the summer also they will be very cool. I have saw. Okay. Yes, I gone to Ooty through bus only. Or I have from here I gone here in Chennai. I reached the bus on 27th May 2022 and I returned on to Chennai at 30 May 2022. In this 2 days, we have enjoyed Ooty very well. What are the places I enjoyed? I am seeing. First, we gone to boating. Yes, Ooty boating. Okay, I went to Ooty boating. For that, we have stand the line for so many minutes, 1 hour nearly it takes, I thought. Taking tickets. While that time we gone to the eating part and we ate. Then we all standard in the line. That late for 1 hour. Yes, we should come at early, I thought. We completed our boating at 3, I thought. We have gone at 2:40 like that and we completed at 3 p.m. Yes. Then we have gone to a restaurant to eat. Have gone to a restaurant to eat. There for picking orders, they with the notepad, they will come now. They didn't come for many minutes. After a long time, they came and asked their orders and we ate. And it's nearly for 5 o'clock. Nearly it comes to evening. Next we have very fastly going to Botanical Garden. Before we go on to Botanical Garden, we saw first chocolate factory where we saw. It's near to Botanical Garden. If tomorrow we have gone to Botanical Garden, we can go. But both the last time is 6:30 from where we have there there to Botanical Garden and Chocolate Factory. It's nearly to 10 kilometers, 6 kilometers I thought. Okay, first we gone to Botanical Garden. We saw Botanical Garden, and next video I will show the tours. Okay, yes, we saw Botanical Garden. At the next day, our trip ends nearly. At last, we gone to Chocolate Factory and Tea Factory. Have gone to Tea Factory and Chocolate Factory. For me, no ticket. For adults only their ticket. Okay, that's why for me it's free. And in the chocolate factory, how the chocolate is processing, we can see. In some videos we will see as one single person will explain that, correct, but not their like. I thought he is asked for that they have done, but really not like that. There was they will say only. And coca bean, you know na, coca bean. That coca bean we have tasted. It taste is okay. Not where sugar is added, and no chocolate flavor. It will be 1 ton. I thought they use for this color only, that coca bean, and for little taste. Okay. In dark chocolates, they will use more. How many grams they have say? Grams, kilos. For them will be kilos. For us, we want chocolates. We will use grams only. Kg we won't use in any chocolates. Chocola. Yeah, chocola. And for that we will get sample. I thought per family gets packet. I don't know. We get 2 packets. Then some of the people gone down in the stairs. Why they are going down, we have seen. Down it's shopping place. Yes, shopping place. But we gone at last. Then we gone to tea factory. There, when we enter there will be the tea leaves. We can touch it. Yes, and for that 10 rupees, and in that also my ticket is free. And how the tea origin they given, process they placed in boats, and they given us tea. What do you want? You should say we will get the tea. For the 10 rupees we get the tea. For me it's free. Yes? Yeah. Next. What? Buying only. Next all buying process. First, when we gone to buying, first it's tea. When we gone to tea, there is many different types of teas. You can buy any teas. We have bought masala tea, I thought. That only I thought. Next, in next floor we get chocolate sale. For chocolate sale we get. In that chocolate sale, Shukla sale, we brought many chocolates, many chocolates we have brought. Yes, and while we completing the breakfast of 29th May itself, we have gone to chocolate sale first, and it's not at chocolate factory, in other shop. There we bought for banks, father's office, that and all we bought there, and stone chocolate for us we bought, and there in the chocolate factory sale we have bought white chocolate, dark chocolate, brown chocolate. These 3 types of chocolate were available there. You can buy any chocolates, and for that there is many prices also. And in next floor we get varikis and oils, perfumes like scents will be that. Smelling, we bought one, I don't know its name, but it's okay. And we end the trip at 12 p.m. I thought nearly to 12 p.m. Then we went to the Mechipalayam. In Mechipalayam, we ate our lunch. Then we gone to Coimbatore. There we gone to Maradai Mallam. And then our bus is in 9 p.m. Yes, we have then till Little Hill we have the bus, correct, from there. While line itself half an hour, it's taking half an hour to 1 hour. Then for Little Mountain we have gone in bus, then itself 8:30, 8:20 nearby. Yes, then we gone one bus, that not going to Gandhipuram. In Gandhipuram we are boarding the bus, but it's not going to Gandhipuram. When it nearly to start, we are next bus going to Gandhipuram is coming. We are going to that bus, and we not reach Gandhipuram. What we reach and all I will see next video. Over children, over how I came to Chennai we will see next video. Over, okay, over.